Hello, good morning, good evening, good night. Whenever you're watching this, I am going to do kind of an overview of a knife. So I got this from Edgeworks over in Frederick, Maryland when I was out there. Cool store, cool store. See, I got their bag. They gave me a couple stickers. And this was just from being out at the store and visiting and stuff. So yeah, I get a big selection out there. But this is not a review on the store. Maybe I'll do that another time. This is the ESEE4. I saw this there and I was like, well, hey, I gotta get this this knife. It's what I've been looking for a while. And they had it in stock, got to play with it. I was like, okay, yeah, I'll definitely take it now. Cool thing about the box is it's got some survival safety stuff on the back. A lot of, yeah, like how to cross a river, some conversions of meters to feet, using topo maps, distress signals. So a lot of information on the box. So I got the S35VN version of the ESEE4, and I'll put the specs on the screen. So, opening up the box, of course we have the knife. Take a look at that in a second. My receipt. The stuff that comes with the ESEE, which is, I guess, is a little card that's got more of that information that was on the box. It's got I guess a different plate mounting. Okay, yeah, it's got a different mounting system, or no, a mounting system, should I say, for the sheath. You've got, of course, ESEE's card, stickers, more stickers, and a little card that's pretty much just about how to take care of it and how to take it out of the sheath. So here we go. This is the plastic sheath. It's not a Kydex. Similar to Kydex, but it's not Kydex. With a little paracord lanyard, I guess. What would you call that? It's not really a leg tie. I don't know what you would call it. Well, I don't know. It's too short to be a neck knife. Loop. I don't know. Can't really use it as a leg strap. Some sort of lanyard to secure it somehow. And golly, that is some tough retention on that sheath. So, the S35VN ESEE4 micarta handles. First impression, the handle feels okay. Well, I guess technically it's not the first impression. I did handle it at the store. This is my first get home impression. Handle feels okay. I feel like there could be more here for it to fill out the handle a little better, but it's not terrible. It's got jimping on the back there that, not too aggressive. You definitely can tell you definitely know it's there, but it's not too aggressive. Nice choil. I think the choil might be a little too small because you see, pushes into my fat finger. Use it and see what it does. It might cut me, but might if it does, I'll probably take out this point right here. But you know, hey. It's a nice little blade, so I'm gonna go take it out and use it a little bit and see it, well, now. Okay, so real quick before I head out, I'm gonna go ahead and put this carrier attachment. So it's a little belt clip, but you can mount this, you know, traditional, vertical. Yeah, it looks like you could do a scout carry if you wanted. You could do it upside down carry. I'm not really into that carry, but you can. Does not, looks like it, well, it might right now, won't there. I was gonna say does not support a, I don't know what you call it, cross draw fashion. I'm sure you can get some aftermarket sheets that do it, but it doesn't look like this one does it, unless I'm just looking at it completely wrong, which, I mean, it's not out of the realm of possibility. So, anyway, all right, now let's go out and use it. Okay. Let's take a look at some of this. So it's not going to be a chopper, but it is biting into it. Does slice pretty good into it. Yowzers, already. It's already starting to bite into my finger. It does bite pretty deep. Yes, I get used to it, I guess, to do feather sticks. I tend to do short ones instead of those long feather sticks. It's just, I don't know how I do it. See, does okay. Oops. Golly, it's biting into my finger. That little spot right there. I'm definitely going to take a Dremel or a file and knock that out right there. Small side baton action. Just maybe try to baton out a little notch maybe. Hey, not too bad. Now how about I try to baton this little piece of wood. It is hickory. We'll see how this goes. Not going to cross grain baton it. Yeah, it worked pretty good. Yeah, it worked pretty good. A lot better than what I expected. Okay, and then let's just finish it up with a quick spark test. I don't know why people build, you know, all these tinder nests and build a fire and everything when they're just testing to see if it has a 90-degree spine to see what throws sparks. And either it's going to throw a good spark or not. Like, the whole thing doesn't really matter to me. It's like either it throws good sparks or it doesn't. Yeah. Towards the tip a little bit. Yeah. Not great. So I know there was a pretty good time gap between when I first unboxed it and when I actually, came out here and used it just now. But hey, life, right? So yeah, what I think about it, it's okay. The handle was more comfortable than I initially thought it was going to be. I still think it could be, could use a little more width maybe to help fill out the hand a little bit. The little point here, it did not make me bleed, but it did, I can't focus, but it did pull up a little bit of skin. So that's something I'd have to address. Also have to address making the spine 90 degrees, and I'd have to get a different sheath for it. I mean, it's so secure in here that, I mean, if you're not like law enforcement or the military, some kind of operator, that I think it's probably too tight in there. So I'll probably get an aftermarket sheath after I take care of these handles. But I mean, it's really good. Stayed sharp through my brief test there, and that's a good sign. It says 35 EN, so it's pretty good steel. I guess you could say it's a budget stainless steel, but it's a really high performing budget stainless steel. So I like it. I'm gonna do those couple mods to it, and then probably try things out again. But yeah, so far it's a keeper, and it'll be going into a pack or some sort of kit. So anyway, thank you all for tuning in to my little ESEE 4 overview, and remember, get outside, enjoy life, and like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family, every little bit.